In today's video, we'll look at side hustles which will help you to earn at least $500 every day. Are you ready to level up your entrepreneurial journey and learn how to make $500 a day? Many people dream of this amount of passive income coming to their lives because for many it means achieving financial freedom from their full-time job. While it may seem intimidating at first, with a bit of effort and know-how, it's possible to make this amount and eventually earn it passively. So let's dig into 7 different ways to hit this aspirational number. The 7 money-making ideas we will discuss today will provide you with the best path to make $500 a day. Choose one that speaks to your current skill set or is in an industry you're interested about. Side hustle number 1 is to work as an influencer. You have likely heard of influencers or may even follow a few of them yourself. While it may seem like a fantasy for you to earn extra money this way, plenty of different influencers out there make a great living. Even a one influencer gig can get you to $500 or even more if you have a strong and engaged audience. Here are a few different types of influencers out there. First are the celebrity influencers. These are the people recognized in their field and are regularly contacted to promote products, programs, and initiatives. This may include musicians, actors, authors, or athletes. The second is the macro influencers. A macro influencer is famous because of their influence, but not necessarily because of a career or talent. Those who fall into this category have a large following on social media and can be paid for sponsored posts. The third category is the micro-influencers. These people may not have millions of followers, but are still influencers in their small niche. They usually have between 10,000 to 50,000 followers and focus on a very specific niche or demographic. The fourth category is the brand ambassadors. Brand ambassadors often share honest and authentic experience with their audiences after getting free products for review. This is a great way to enter the influencing world and build up your social media following, which can lead to additional offers. The key to working as an influencer is to regularly reach out to the brands and create relationships with them. Make sure to showcase your influence on your social media platform to attract the right kind of attention. The second side hustle is to become a freelance writer. Almost every business on the planet needs content. Words are one of the main ways we connect on the internet, and there is no shortage of writing odd jobs available for those trying to figure out how to make $500 a day. There are plenty of different angles you can approach when getting started as a writer, including blogging, editing, technical or medical writing, journalism, grant writing, creative writing, script writing, copywriting, and email writing. There are plenty of freelance writing jobs for beginners with those without any experience. These jobs will teach you how to work with clients and get you published example to show to future clients. However, many beginner writing gigs wouldn't pay enough to earn $500 a day, so you'll want to grow your portfolio and reach out to higher paying writing jobs. You can do this by steadily increasing your rate and making time to reach out to larger companies with letters of introduction and pitches. Offer your clients additional services such as SEO research and optimization, content audits, and creating content calendars. Side hustle number 3 is to monetize a high traffic website. A website is a major asset in the digital age, and there are many ways to earn extra money once you have directed traffic to it. To start monetizing a high traffic website to make $500 a day, you must have at least 10,000 visitors a month. While many people still find success earning a few dollars with less traffic, this is a good goal if you're just getting started. You can monetize your website by selling digital products, selling affiliate products, accepting sponsorship from businesses, creating a site membership, promoting products through email marketing, placing ads on website, and earning a commission through affiliate offers. Side hustle number 4 is to start a service-based arbitrage business. Many people have figured out how to make $500 a day by offering high-ticket services such as graphic design, web development, coding, and other digital trades. But even if you don't know how to do these things yourself, you can still get in on the action. Service arbitrage is when you take a service from one provider, usually at a lower price, and offer it to another client at a higher rate. This gives you the opportunity to make extra cash without having any of the skills yourself. You act as a middleman between two parties who need something you can provide. The best part about this business model is that it is scalable since you are not doing actual work yourself. Instead, you focus on keeping things organized, offering exceptional customer service, and ensuring that the final product is delivered on time. Side hustle number 5 is to rent out space in your home. For those who don't have much time to earn more money but have an unused property available, renting out a space in your home is one of the best hustle ideas for increasing your passive income to $500. Even a small property such as a spare bedroom or a plot of land someone can camp on can become consistent income generating real estate for you. There are two primary types of renting you have available. First is long-term renting, With a long-term rental property, a tenant signs a lease and pays a set amount each month. This option is great for those who need a stable passive income and don't want to deal with the hassle of finding new tenants every few months. Second is short-term renting. Short-term rentals are often done through services like Airbnb or Vrbo. With this option, you can charge a higher rate and often make more money quickly. However, it can be harder to find tenants as they usually only stay for a few nights at a time. The side hustle number 6 is to flip stuff. If you possess a keen eye for identifying products with high potential value, you could be cut out for the lucrative activity of flipping. Flipping is the art of buying gently used items at a lower price and selling them at a higher rate to earn money from the sale. These gems are found at local second-hand thrift stores, estate sales, garage sales, and antique shops. You have found and purchased a handful of items to sell. It will take just few hours to upload high-quality pictures and listings to Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Plenty of apps make it easy to sell your items while on the go if you are looking for a side hustle on the phone. However, it is essential to conduct an ample research and to have a comprehensive understanding of the true value of the item before purchasing them. After all, getting a refund on the items you have purchased outside of major retailers is challenging. And you will also need to be mindful of the inventory and ensure that you have plenty of space to store your items while you are waiting for the sale. The side hustle number 7 is to create a print-on-demand product. Print-on-demand products have revolutionized the e-commerce industry and made it possible for everyday people to enter the world of selling physical products without an upfront investment. Print-on-demand services allow you to design, produce, and sell products such as mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, hats, bags, and other items without even having to print or store any inventory. The key to standing out and making good money online with print-on-demand products is to make original, irresistible, and eye-catching design. Once you have created a great design, you can then upload it to the print-on-demand platform and start selling it with your own potentially successful online business instantly. Profit margins are much lower on these items than if you produce them all yourself. But if you can get a high volume of sales with your items, you can definitely reach your financial goals. Some popular programs you can get started with include Printify and Printful, and there are various others in the market too. Each offers different products, services, printing locations, shipping policies, and pricing. Figuring out how to make $500 a day is attainable for ambitious and driven individuals. You can explore various activities and market to make those daily earnings depending on your skill set. Whether it's through freelancing, creating and selling print-on-demand products, one thing is for sure, you'll need to do some hard work and research to turn the ways how to make $500 a day into reality. I personally like digital products. Though they take initial effort to create, selling them has high profit margin as no inventory is involved. All side hustles take some time and effort, but with dedication, discipline, and a bit of luck, you can reach all the goals you set out for yourself as an entrepreneur. Let us know your thoughts and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of our videos on personal finance and making money online and you get notified. Thank you for watching. See you next time.